Before using Fabriq, we had a lot of issues with keeping track of all of the different actions. So it was very hard to know what to prioritize and exactly what your actions were.
I've already worked on an SQD kind of process before, but it was all paper. And some of the problems we had were a lot of the day-to-day operability issues. Our efficiency wasn't where it needs to be. By having it digitalized like Fabriq has, we did get that day-to-day continuity, we get better solutions.
When I visit any plants anywhere in the world, I can see the Fabriq board and understand exactly what's happening. And it also helps us to make sure that the same standard is applied everywhere in all plants, in all countries.
The benefits that I see as a site director for using Fabriq is collective actions all in one place. It makes it very easy to monitor and keep track of everything that's going on in the whole site.
And each member of the team is involved. Operators, supervisors, zone leaders, management, everyone is involved, and we're getting better results based on that. Of course, from a cost standpoint, from a safety standpoint, and from a quality standpoint. Our safety metrics have improved. We have not seen any safety concerns over the last several months. From a quality perspective, we've had better action item closure.
That has proven to be an invaluable tool in bringing these teams together, from operator all the way up to management. Fabriq has become our digital control tower. We have formalized our performance monitoring by utilizing interactive dashboards to help us measure compliance and monitor our KPIs. Well, when we have quality issues, safety issues that were encountered on the production floor, the escalation and the resolution times for these various problems have been cut in half due to Fabriq.
Actions are executed much faster than before. The problems are eradicated for good, and the escalation process is much more easy for a complex problem.
We managed the internal change process by mirroring the manual system we already had in place. It's very easy to train the operators.
We were able to transition in like 2 months, which was great.
The training process with Fabriq was quick. It took about 45 minutes to go through all our initial tools, and it was intuitive and easy to navigate. On a daily basis, I use Fabriq to signal to management when we have recurring issues that need attention and when I need to escalate issues that I can't resolve on my own. Fabriq has changed my daily work by creating better feedback for the operators on resolved issues.
We use Fabriq at a site level for our daily routines, action tracking, KPI tracking, for safety, quality, delivery, cost, and environment. These can be shared at a group level. We start the day with a morning walk around through the whole entire facility. That's then escalated up to different processes. By using Fabriq, we were able to improve our time management by about 2 hours every single day.
Fabriq has centralized operational knowledge, problem solving, and action plans in one tool. We're now using a user-friendly platform helping us along our path to operational excellence.